What's up, guys? So let us solve this problem. So what this problem reads that 367.5 grams KClO3 whose molecular weight is given as 125.5 when heated. So is heated. So I don't know क्यों लिखा है ये is heated. Then only question will sound correct, right? This is heated. So how many gram KCl and oxygen is produced on heating this? Okay. So this is a simple question. So you need to know the reaction. So तुम्हें मालूम होना चाहिए कि heating पे क्या होता है. So this reaction is should know that KClO3 on heating gives what? ये वो नहीं पता तो can just see. पूछा क्या है? इसको heat किया है. So how many gram KCl and oxygen is formed? So basically ये चीज़ form हो रहा है. So just write it. KCl and O2. So even if को reaction पता ना हो, the question you can write the reaction, but you should always need to balance reaction, right? So you can see over here the oxygen is not balanced. Oxygen के 3 atoms इधर 2 atoms है. So how will you balance? Nothing. The 3 into 2 is 6. The LCM and 3 to the 6 over here. So now this is the balanced reaction. So if it now sorry KCl2 तो यहाँ भी 2 लेना पड़ेगा. So this is the complete balanced reaction. You can see it over here. The balanced reaction. So the first thing should know the reaction. Now mass दिया है and यहाँ पे mass पूछा है, so we'll take mass ratio. So you can see 2 moles of KClO3. So 1 mole weighs this much, so 2 moles will get how much? So this actually is correction. It is 122.5, not 25.5. So okay, 2 moles. So 2 into this much grams will give 2 into 74.5 grams, which is the molecular weight of KCl, and it will give 3 into 32, which is the molecular weight of oxygen. So 3 moles of oxygen. So this is the mass ratio. Now what is given? Say that if we take this much amount of KClO3, then how many grams KCl is produced? So an oxygen is produced. So you can see that if 2 moles are giving this much, so if we can say 245 grams of KClO3 gives how much? 155 grams. Then how much will this give? 367.5. So simple unitary method. So on solving, you get the value of this KCl as nothing but x is equal to 155 into this upon this, so 223.5 आएगा, right? So this is the amount of KCl formed, and what will be the amount of oxygen formed? So oxygen का देखो, so 96 gram is produced by this much 245 grams. So again 245 ही आएगा. So बाजू में for oxygen 245 gives 96. ये कितना देगा? 67.5. Again 1.5 times ही होगा, because this is if you divide by 122.5, ये 2 आएगा, ये 3 आएगा. So this is nothing but 1.5 times. ये 2 है, ये 3 है. So 2 से 3 मतलब 1.5 times बढ़ रहा है. So 1.5 बढ़ेगा. So this is nothing but 1.5 into 155, right? This is nothing but 1.5 96, which is 96 plus 48, which is 144, right? So 144 grams आया, guys. You can see 144 grams of oxygen come. So just simple चीज़ थी. You need to know mass ratio क्या दिया है, उसे तक solve करो. Should know the molar weight of KCl and oxygen. So how will you come to know? By simply you should know the atomic weights of potassium and chlorine. Potassium का 39 है, chlorine का 34.5 है. Or else if you don't know the weight also apply simple logic that molecular weight of KCl is given, right? 120 for 2.5. अब बहुत लोगों को Cl and K का पता होता है, but many people know the weight of oxygen. उसका तो पता है हमको. Oxygen का weight is 16 atomic weight. ये बहुत तो का मालूम है, questions हमने बहुत किए. So अगर KClO3 में इतना होता है, तो KCl में कितना होगा? Simple, just subtract the oxygen atom. So minus 3 times the oxygen atom, which is 3 into 16, so 48. So this comes out to be 74.5. So ऐसे भी हम निकाल सकते हैं. So hope you guys understood this video perfectly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next question.